Hello, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today we will discuss what does queued mean in Gmail. So in simple terms, queued in Gmail means that your email is waiting to be sent, but Gmail application cannot send your emails right now. And instead of delivering immediately, Gmail puts those emails in a temporary holding line, which means queue, and will retry sending them later. So how you can try fixing your queue? You can try reconnecting to your internet or switching to your mobile data. Also, you can try clearing Gmail cache. Additionally, you can update your Gmail application to the latest version from your App Store or Play Store. So I think those are all the ways that you can fix your queue, and also you can just wait for some time and just see if your emails will be sent. So now you know what is queued on Gmail. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave your thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.